Ma'am, you are not audible.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys.
Let's start with the prayer I was saying. Please.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Sorry. Press the sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Inhale. Exhale, release the hands, open your eyes. Let's start tabletop. Hands under the shoulders, knees under your hips. Press the palms and start bringing circles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full cat and cow 20 times, guys. Full awareness. Body weight at the center. Inhale, arch, look forward. Exhale, press and rub. Inhale, 2. Exhale, run. Inhale, 3. Exhale, run. Inhale, 4. Exhale, run. Inhale, 5. Exhale, run. Inhale, 6. Exhale, round. Inhale, 7. Exhale, round. Inhale, 8. Exhale, round. Inhale, 9. Exhale, round. Inhale, 10. Exhale, round. 10 more. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Inhale. Exhale, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 5. Inhale. Exhale, 6. Inhale. Exhale, 7. Inhale. Exhale, 8. Inhale. Exhale, 9. Inhale. Exhale, 10. And come back to center. Press the right palm down. Inhale, lift the left arm up, open the chest. Exhale, thread through shoulder and head down. Palms together. And on the next exhale, open and hold. With the arms straight. Twist from the belly button. Keep the pelvis at the center. Open and look towards your hand. Deep breaths. Anuba, start. Last 10. Sahil. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Inhale, lift the arm. Exhale, back to tabletop. Press the left hand down. Inhale, reach the right arm up. Thread through, shoulder down. On the next exhale, open the left arm. Hold it. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Press the hand down. Exhale. Back to tabletop. Now, you will take your blocks at the top of the mat on the low setting, shoulder distance apart. Grab them from the top like this. Pelvis on top of the knees. Press the hands. Inhale, open, and you try to touch the chest. Exhale, round. Yes? Let's go. Inhale, 1, arm straight. Exhale, round. If it doesn't touch, it's fine. We're warming up. Inhale, 2. Press the hands. Exhale, round. Continue. Inhale, 3. Arm straight, shoulders up to the ears. Exhale, round. Inhale, 4. Exhale, round. Inhale, 5. Exhale, round. Inhale, 6. Exhale, round. Inhale, 7. Exhale, round. Sahil, hands on top of the blocks. Inhale, 8. Exhale, round. Inhale, 9. Exhale, round. Inhale, 10. Hold it down. Press hands to the blocks. Sarika, extend the arms more forward. Maximum length of the shoulders up to the ears. Elbows straight. Palms pressing. Pragyan. Hands on the blocks. Guys, use your blocks for this exercise, please. Last 30 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the hands, round the spine up. Very good. Now, you will take the blocks, high setting, shoulder distance apart. Elbows at the edge, palms together. Walk the knees back till your spine is long. Again, we want the shoulders long and up to reach the ears. Press the elbows. Inhale from the pelvis. Bring the chest as close to the floor as possible. Press elbows. Exhale from the pelvis. Round. You keep the 90 degrees. Elbow to wrist. Yes? Exhale, round. Slow exercise. 10 rounds. The last round we hold it down. Guys, elbows at the edge. Yes? Watch me on the screen. Elbows at the edge. Don't bring at the center. Yeah? Guys, blocks, blocks, blocks. Sahil, don't even try with that ball. No, it's gonna slide. You can try at the edge of the sofa that you have on your side. Or on the chair. Chair is gonna be higher, but it's gonna be better than the ball. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Deepika, step the knees back a little bit so the pelvis can open. 9. Deepika, okay. Knees back, knees back. More. 10 and hold. A little bit more, Deepika. Full length of the spine. More. Now you can open the pelvis nicely. Everyone cow pelvis. Press elbows and keep the core engaged. Core engaged. Focus on your breathing. Short inhale. Long exhale through your nose. Sahil, open pelvis, arch the spine, opposite of what you're doing. Open. Like cow. Yes, more. Palms together, Sahil, palms together. Last 20 seconds, guys. Stay. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly round the spine, walk the knees inside, come out of the pose. Very good. Now next, we will go belly towards the floor. Watch me. Belly towards the floor. Long spine. Yes. Don't compress here in your neck. Make a pillow with the hands. Engage the legs. Press the pelvis to the floor. Engage the core and you will lift the legs. 1, 2. Yes. I press the pelvis and I press the belly down. At the same time, I engage the core. I don't lift the arms, only legs. Yes, don't spread the legs open, guys. Maximum mat distance. If you can, hip distance. 1. Yes, the head is on the floor. 2. 20 times. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Only legs. 1. Slowly down. Guys, control the way down. 2. Slowly down. 3. Slowly down. 4. And down. 5. And down. 6. Urvashi, come on, start. And down. 7. And down. 8 and down. 9 and down. 10 and down. 15-second pause, and then we do second round, 10 reps. Three, two, one, and we go. 1. Slowly, middle, core engage. 2. Yes. 3. Everyone controlling the way down with your core. 4. Head on the floor. On the hand, sorry. 5. 6. Divya, control the way down. 7. 8. Press pelvis down. Control the way down, Chintamani. 9. 10. And release it down. Take 15-second rest, and we will hold 30 seconds up. Yes, the key here, when you're holding, you will want to grasp so much air through the nose. Don't. Short inhale, long exhale. If you try to inhale too much, the belly will fill up and press against the floor and make you, how do you call this? Like a boat, yeah? So don't do that. Short inhale, long exhale. Maximum focus on keeping the core engaged. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Lift and hold. 30 seconds. Everyone's a heel, you too. Up, up, up. Keep the legs up, Anuva. Keep the legs up. As high as you can, it's okay. Don't try to go to the highest. Just control it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Take a rest. 30-second rest. Very good. Watch me, guys. Again, belly down. This time, you will interlace the fingers behind, palms together, external rotation of the shoulders, so you squeeze the shoulder blades together, yes? Interlace the fingers, press palms, external rotation of the shoulders, and here. Now, press above the feet, press pelvis, lift with your core, slowly down. The legs don't lift. Lift with your core, slowly down. So you inhale, lift, and slowly. Again, we will go 20 times. This is a tough one. Yes, 10 times. We rest and then 10 times. It's not a I lift out of strength, guys. Don't try to lift from the lower back. It's your core lifting you up. Yes, so as slow you go up. Slow you control. If you go fast, there's no control in the core. There's only impulse. We need the control by going slow. Yeah? Press the pelvis down, meaning your pelvic bones against the floor, full leg engage until the toes press down. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Slowly down. 2. Guys, to my count. Slowly down. 3. Slowly down. 4. Slowly down. 5. Slowly down. 6. Slowly down. 7. Slowly down. 8. Slowly down. 9. Slowly down. 10. Lift and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release your hands. Make a pillow with the hands. Rest the forehead. Tiny rest. And then we go second round. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Prepare. Interlace fingers. Press palms. External rotation. Squeeze the scapula. Press the pelvis down. Engage the legs. And up. 1. Slowly down. Core engage. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Chintamani, this is not the exercise. Hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. 30-second rest. Ready. Guys, we will go now towards the wall. Kneeling position. Arm distance from the wall. Wait. Sorry. Kneeling position. Arm distance from the wall. Tuck toes under for stability. Step the arms up. Shoulder distance. Press the palms. Inhale. And to the wall. Forehead or nose. Yes, only these two options. Don't go closer. We will do a second round where we will go closer. So I inhale, try to touch, round up. From the pelvis open and press the hands from the pelvis up. Yes, finish the whole movement. 10 reps. Pay attention guys, watch me. 10 reps. On the last rep, forehead or nose. If I feel comfortable, I will slide. Go deeper, you will feel it in the shoulders. Yes, we will hold 1 minute. So don't go too deep. Just explore sliding tiny bit. Yes? Arm distance, everyone. Arms above shoulders. Press the hands. And we go. 1. Press against from the pelvis round. 2. Inhale as you go to the wall. Press against and up. 3. Exhale up. 4. Exhale up. 5. Arms straight. Exhale up. From the pelvis up, Pranya. 6. Exhale up. 7. Exhale up. 8. Exhale up. 9. 10 to the wall. Exhale, slide a little bit down. And we hold 1 minute. You have to be able to breathe. Forehead or nose touching. Keep pressing the hands to the wall. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the palms from the pelvis, round up and release the wall. Very good. We will do one more round of hold. Those who are feeling comfortable touching the nose, you will try to lift the chin up. Yes? So watch. Those who are feeling comfortable here, you will go now a little bit. Now we are arm distance. You will go one teeny tiny step. Arms above. Again, this is going to get more intense. Nose, if you can, chin. Guys, watch. The chin wants to lift. If you can lift, you want to touch chest as well. Yes? I'm showing you like this so you can see. Chin lifting up. Yes, throat lengthening and then the chest can touch. If you are here, amazing. If you are here, amazing. If you feel comfortable, you want to go deeper, go deeper. Yeah, but keep pressing the hands. The breath has to flow to come out from the spine round. Yes? Again, 1 minute hold, guys. Move slowly. Yes, these things take practice, but start practicing this throat lengthening we need for the chest and we need for puppy pose on the most extended variation. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we go. Time is on. Meghna, try for the chin. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the palms from the pelvis, round up. Very good. Now, back to the center of the mat. You will take one block. Place it on the, not the top, but you will see. You will take your puppy pose. Yes, the chin will go at the edge of the block so the throat can lengthen. Yes, guys, we are not collapsing in the neck. I'm not bringing my neck back and collapsing. I'm trying to press the hands, a little bit pressure in the chin. Yes, a little bit so it can lengthen the throat. Okay? It's a new sensation for many. We want to press slightly, yeah? Don't put all the weight on your chin. Slightly weight here, just to feel the lengthening of the throat muscles. That's it. I have to be able to breathe. Shoulders lifted and hands pressing to the mat. Yeah? Let's try 1 minute hold. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and we go. Very good. Chin at the edge of the block, guys. Focus on your breath. Last 10, 9, 8, breathe Sahil, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the palms, round up, remove the block. Very good. Now, we will go again towards the wall with the mat. And now, watch me. You will take tabletop position, extend the arms forward for your puppy pose. Yes, try to touch the chin, try to touch the shoulders. If this is possible, try to press the legs and lift the hips up. Now, the closer you are to the wall, the more difficult. So if this is not possible, you bring the chest a bit forward and try again. Yeah? I have to press the heels towards the wall, the palms down, and the upper chest for the ladies, guys. You don't press with this part, you press with this part on the floor. Yes? Please, otherwise it's going to be very painful. Yeah? Palms pressing, this part try to press. If you are not reaching the floor with the chest, take a folded blanket, a very small pillow like this. Yes? Imagine us almost there. Almost there, yeah? Something like this. Then I will put my pillow here. Yes? So it can make the gap. And then I can try. Yes? So try first, see where you are. And if you need some support, take it. We try to extend the legs 10 times, guys, very slow. Observe what's happening in the body. Yes? Take a break if you need. And keep the hands pressing throat, lengthening chin forward. Sahil, start, try. Everyone trying. Deepika, chest to the floor. The pillow blanket under the chest. Under the upper part of the chest. Yes, Miru?
But I'm not able to lift my knees or like to extend my legs.
Is your chest touching the floor?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go. Let me check. Sarika, very good. Monica, good, but try to go a little bit closer to the wall. Teeny tiny. Miru, yes. Press the hands, press the feet. Nothing is extending. Bring the chest forward, Miru. Maybe you are too close to the wall. Try again. Press the palms, press the heels. Yes. If it's not enough, teeny tiny more forward, Miru. With the chest more forward. Yes. Try again. Press the heels. Yes. So now with the core, control it. Yes, there, guys, it should feel some resistance, yes? A little bit of resistance, yes, Divya coming. A little bit of resistance on the way up, it's normal, guys. If it feels too easy, you need to go closer to the wall. There needs to be a little bit of resistance, enough that you can straighten the legs. 10 times, you take breaks if you need, yes? And if you have questions, let me know. Divya?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when I push my leg
Yeah.
to the wall, my chest up.
Your
Is it
chest
okay?
goes up. Show me. Maybe you're too close to the wall.
I saw you.
Yeah. Pradnya, go a little bit closer to the wall, if you can. Now, your hips are, okay, Divya, is good. Your hips are up. Now try to bring the shoulders lower. When you extend the legs, keep the shoulders, the armpit pressing the floor. Yes? Sometimes is the shoulder opening is not fully there, but you have the strength to come up. Yeah, don't worry. The more you practice the shoulder opening, the more low it will come. Also, sometimes if we have bigger breast, yes, it can happen that there's a bigger gap. Yes, it feels that you are maybe more here than here. So try to calm down with this part. The shoulder opening will also come deeper as you practice more shoulder opening drills. Yes, there's a little teeny tiny gap from the armpit to the floor. Yeah, but the hips are lifting. Any questions here, guys? It's a tricky one. Yes, Miru?
It's very painful, like when I lift my knees off.
The hands have to keep pressing, otherwise all the weight comes here.
Okay.
I'm not feeling any weight here. The weight is here. But
Okay.
the main weight is on my arms. And you have a point of pressure to the wall. Yeah?
Okay.
Any other questions, guys? Are we understanding the exercise? Chintamani?
I'm slipping forward and I have to grab the edge of the mat, otherwise I'm slipping.
This must be the quality of the mat. Sometimes when the mat doesn't have a good grip, a little bit of sweat makes you slide, so it makes things a little bit challenging. Yeah, careful with those sliding mats, huh? Also, that's important. Are we good, guys? Now, everyone. Pragya, all good? Okay, you have to leave. Okay, thank you. Guys, we will try to, yes, Pranya.
Actually, we have to press with our palms or my elbows is part of hands also pressing down.
Say again, your elbows is pressing down.
Yes.
Is a question?
I'm trying.
It's a
Yeah, ma'am.
question or a statement? Are you asking me if the elbow has to press, or are you stating that your elbows are pressing?
Yeah, my elbows are pressing. When I am trying to press my hands, palms down, my elbows are also pressing.
Yes, the
Is it okay?
whole arm will press.
Oh.
Guys, this is like when we are on the wall. Yes, and we are trying to reach the armpit. No, we are trying to bring armpit to touch the wall. So now the same pressure, it will be on the floor. Yeah? Now, we want to try to be able to hold it. Yes, so even if it's with the knees a little bit bent, yes, we try to lift 2 rounds, 15 seconds. Yes, so try to breathe through this discomfort. Yeah, I know it's uncomfortable in the beginning. Keep in mind, arms are pressing, weight is here. You can use the pillows, guys. We have pillows, we have blankets. Use those if there is a bigger gap. No sense of being in the air. So some of you somehow, I don't even know how, you are somehow here. This is like a downward facing dog, very difficult to handle. Yes, so even if there's a big gap here, yes, you place something under it so it makes a bit more accommodating for you. Yeah, core is engaged, even if you don't believe it. Core is engaged here. Yes? Guys, you're watching me. I don't know if you're lost thinking I went cuckoo with this class. You have questions, please ask me, but say something. I see very confused faces. What's going on? All good. Yeah? Everyone ready to try? Yes, Erika. You have a question?
Not engage my core. Actually, it's again and again I breathe and it's going down.
So we need to understand it's a breathing that we take in the belly, but it's a small breathing. Yes, if we are breathing in the chest, the core will start opening, diaphragm will start opening. Yes, the breathing is on the lower belly, like the babies. Babies, they breathe through the belly, right? Have we all observed babies? Animals as well. You watch a dog, a cat, they breathe through the belly. Us, ideally, we want to start practicing this as well. This usually through asana practice, it becomes automatic when we are aware of the breathing. If it doesn't come automatic for any of you or for some of you, privately at home, you practice hands on the belly. On the inhale, you push the belly away. On the exhale, you push the belly in. Practice it every day, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and slowly, slowly it will become a habit. Then in class, you can try to bring extra awareness on this. Eventually, guys, you don't even have to think about that the breath is on the belly. Yeah, but when it's the breath on the chest, on the diaphragm, it's very difficult to control certain poses, also inversions, handstand, because you see, rib cage open because the diaphragm is here controlling my breath instead of closing. If my breath is on the belly, nothing opens. Otherwise, from the chest, all is open. Yeah? Am I making sense? So, short inhale, guys. You don't need to inhale the whole oxygen on the room. No need. We already have some storage of oxygen in the lungs. Yeah, so short inhale is enough. Zip. Long exhale. Yeah? And hold it. It's more of the mental resistance than the physical discomfort. Your mind is resisting the pose, not your body. Yes? If you breathe, the thoughts just continue passing. If you engage with, oh my God, this is so challenging, very difficult to hold these poses until it becomes comfortable. Okay? So, breath, core engagement, arms pressing, chest on the floor, on the pillow or on the blanket. Yeah? Everyone take position. 15-second hold. Ready? We go up. Exhale. Very good, guys. Sahil, chest on the floor. You can take pillow. I said pillow, pillow. Don't be suspended in the air. This is not the pose. Very uncomfortable for your shoulders, Sahil. Please listen to me. Don't sustain this pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And without noticing, guys, you did 30 seconds. Amazing. Beautiful.
Patty,
Yes.
feet together or a little apart?
When we have feet together in the beginning, sometimes it brings a little bit of discomfort in the lower back. So feet separate, as long as the legs are engaged, is all good. Hip distance. Later, you can bring the feet together. Yeah? Good. Guys, are we good? Can we continue? Beautiful. Now, we will take the chair against the wall. Watch me first. Yes? You will go on top of the chair. So, knees on top. Yes? Your hip, where the hip flexes at the edge of the chair. Yes, now you will extend the arms forward. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Bring the chest down. And you will hold. Core engage. The knees have to press to the chair, otherwise the knees will start lifting up like this. Yeah? So press the knees to the chair. Keep the toes on the wall if you can. Yes, now here you keep pressing the arms down, shoulders down. If you needed the support before, now also you bring your pillow here or your blanket here. You go down, check. I need it, good. I don't need it. I press up, I remove and I go. Yeah? 30-second hold for this one to come out, in and knee. Yeah, you can access from tabletop. Knee up. Press, engage the core, other knee, walk inside. Yes, and then extend, extend, and now. Yeah? Let's go, guys. Looks scary, but it's not. It's fun. Chintamani, maybe you don't need the pillow. It's too high. Very good, Monica, Pradnya. Guys, keep pressing your forearms, your hands down. Yes, Miru. Divya, yes. Deepika, knees more inside. More inside. Deepika, the knees more inside. Toes to the wall. Yes, Nehal. Anuva, yes. Chintamani, yes. Bring the knees a little bit more inside, Chintamani, if you can. Nidhi, yes. Start to come down. Last 10, yes. Pragya, toes to the wall. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly, slowly. Coming out. Very good. And we will remove the chair. Move the mat again away from the wall, regular position. Watch me. Now, we will go belly down. You will bring the hands inside. Yes, so you can bring the hips up, interlace the fingers like this. Yes, shoulders in and back. Yes, you will lay on top. Oh, sorry, I'm too close. I have furniture here. So now you will bring the weight on top, engage the core and lift. Yes? Chin forward, lift up. So guys, I show you from the front. I'm interlacing the fingers like this on top, yeah? Here. So I have to bring the shoulders a little bit in. Yes? There's gonna be this gap here. Yes? Don't worry about your breast. Yes? You will press the belly towards the forearms. Yes? You have to press down. Engage the core. The legs and the glutes have to engage fully for you to be able to lift up. The same way we were doing here. Same pressure, same technique with the hands under. Yes? Lift. Slow and control down. Yeah? Try. Let's try 5 reps, see how this goes. Legs straight, guys. Make sure you don't have the wall behind you.
Patty,
Chintamani,
do I have
close to the wall. Go away from the wall. You need to extend the toes only. Yes, Miru.
do I have to interlace because I'm very uncomfortable with the wrist like this. Can I keep it flat?
You can keep flat as well if you can.
Okay.
Yeah? Guys, Miru, so there's many variations, okay? You can also keep them flat like this. Yes, you can keep flat like this as well. If someone is feeling uncomfortable like this, hands flat. It's the same. Yes? You bring the hand flat, engage, and leave. Yes? But when you keep the hand like this, for some people it's too heavy on the rotation. That's why I gave you the other variation. Yes? Palms flat or interlace the fingers. Elbows more in, Pradnya, more in. Slide the arms fully down. Fully. The elbows cannot be bent. Chintamani, please don't kick. No, guys. This is a core engagement, huh? It's not a kick. It's not a kick. Please don't kick here. Chin down. Yes, Meghna. Very good. Sarika, yes. Squeeze the glutes, guys. Monica, very good. Chintamani, the way down is just not happening. Don't go too high. Try to go less high. See if you can control the way down with the core. Yes. Nidhi, keep the chin down. Squeeze the glutes, core and lift. Yes. Snehal. Good. Lock the knees, Snehal. Try to bring the elbow a little bit more in. Sarika, you also have the elbow a little bit bent, I think. Bring them more inside towards the chest, towards the center of your body. Deepika, Divya, show me. Yes, Divya, very good. Deepika, yes. Don't lift the chin, Deepika. Only legs, only legs. Sahil, Pragya, very good. Anuva, I cannot see your legs. Not happening. Try. It's a very challenging pose. It's a very challenging pose. If you've never practiced, don't get desperate to happen in one day. Squeeze the glutes, press. Yes. Very good. Pranya, legs straight. Yes. Slowly down. Very good, guys. 5 reps done.
Not getting hands positions are not correct.
Your
Palm position.
two hands position. Yes, I gave you one that, in my opinion, and
No one.
it's easier with the interlaced fingers. Yes, like this.
Not good.
Why? Because this one, it requires more external rotation. Is more difficult.
Yeah.
In my
Okay.
experience. Yes. So for some
Yeah.
for some people like me, for example, she finds this one easier. So I said maybe test both. If this comes easier to you, go ahead with it. This one, what happens is that on top of the external rotation that is very deep, we also have to press with the palms. So there's no support here. You have the fist support as well. Yes? So in the beginning, it's a bit more challenging, but once you get the body engaged, it's easier to lift up. With the palms down, you have to really grip. So for some people, it's not happening so easily. Yeah? So you choose, guys. Sometimes I give you one grip, you have another grip. There's many variations, yeah? Now, guys. We will do the same. Try to go higher with the knees bent. Yes? Last one for today. Whichever grip is working for you, yes? So, you go, bend the knees, try to go higher. Slowly. Some of you can go more. This is all core, guys. The core has to go down slowly. Yes, there's no one bit of kicking here. Not a single bit of kicking, guys. This is pure core control. Yes? It looks like magic because it's lifting effortless. This is your deep core working. Nothing else. Yeah?
Ma'am, hand position is like this or this?
I was showing with this one. Yes? Some people it's easier this one, some people it's easier this one. So try both. Yes? Whatever comes easy, we have last 5 minutes to try. Guys, again, this is not a pose that comes easy at the first time. Focus on all the elements we work, guys. We have all the elements within us. Yeah? On the exhale, remember it's easier to lift up. Yes? But please don't kick. With the knees bent, Chintamani, please don't. No, absolutely not. This is a recipe to hurt the lower back. No.
Ma'am,
Yes?
can I use pillow here?
Pillow? What's happening? It's hurting your throat?
Yeah,
In the chin?
hurting. Yes.
Hold the mat a little bit. Pillow will be too, it will be giving you compression in the lower, in the cervical, sorry. Fold the
Okay.
pillow, fold the mat under the chin.
Okay.
Yeah? Guys, try. Don't give up before trying. Knees bent, same engagement. Once the knees are up, you keep engaging the core. See if it lifts higher. Yes, Monica, yes, 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 yes. Continue. Press the palms, engage core. That was a very good try. Divya? So, you engage the core, same thing, but with the knees bent. So we try to lift higher with the knees bent. Sometimes we can extend. And then if you want to curl more, once you are up, that the hips are almost up on top of shoulders, then it's easier to do anything with the legs. Yes, Sahil, yes, continue. Continue, core. Come on, Sahil, you were very close. Core. Yes, continue pressing. Very close, Sahil. Yes, Nidhi, bend the knees. Press. Core. Pragya, bend the knees. Pragya, are you walking on the wall? No. Bend the knees. Good. Continue. Meghna? Yes. Press. Core. Sarika, chin forward. Yes. Miru, you have a question?
Yeah. So when I'm lifting, I don't know if like I'm bending my knees, but I don't know where exactly I am.
Yes. Because it's a new position, we have no idea where the legs are. Of course, this happens to everyone. Yes? Show me.
Can you
Show me. I told you, I will tell you where your legs are. Guys, this is completely normal. Huh? I cannot see the legs. You don't know where they are. This is again new position to build the maps. Your brain has to build the maps once again here. Let's go. Miru, elbow straight. Yes, bend the knees. Keep pressing. More. So you tried first to lift with the legs straight instead of with the knees bent. Try to lift with the knees bent straight away. It's a very different sensation than lifting with the legs straight.
like how I didn't get that.
Second time we were doing. So first time we did with the legs straight. First time we did this one. Yes?
Yeah.
Second
Yeah.
we're doing with the knees bent. So I engage my legs with the knees bent and I start lifting. Guys, I cannot keep talking and doing. I'm losing my breath. Yeah? But we start with the knees bent, the same pressure lifts you up. Yes.
We bend our knees on the ground itself.
And then bend. And now we were trying to lift with the knees bent already.
Okay.
Yeah?
So we're bending our knees on the mat itself.
Before lifting, you bend the knees, engage the core, and you start coming up.
Okay, so it is extend the legs and then bend the knees and
Oh.
then lift.
Yeah, no. We did first round with the legs straight.
Uh-huh.
Forget about that now. Now,
Okay.
second round we did with the knees bent to try to go higher.
Okay,
Yes?
I'll try that.
Ma'am, can you show once again? Once.
Yes. I show without talking, guys, because I'm losing my breath in all the talking, and I can't hold it. So, sorry. It's difficult to try to show you without talking. Let me just shut up. You keep engaging core. Yes. And to go down. The hands are pressing core. Slowly. Yes? Sorry, guys. I try not to talk, but it's difficult to explain without. It comes automatic, not to talk and do. I just discovered I cannot talk through this pose, so I had to practice talking more so I can show you and talk at the same time. It's a skill itself. But is it clear? Is it more clear now? Yes, Pranya? Last 30 seconds to try, guys.
Ma'am,
Yes?
my hands, it's like this, not this.
Yes, like this, huh? Don't switch. Like this.
No. It's my palming on my tummy.
No. Opposite. The palms on the mat.
Why?
The mat.
It's not like that.
I know you're telling me it's not like that, but I'm telling you, try to bring the palms on the mat, palms on the tummy. I'm not sure if that is a thing, but I've never seen it. You can make it work. Anything is possible, you know. But otherwise, I don't see, because then you don't have a grip on the mat. That's the reason why I think it should not work. Maybe it works, but don't try it.
But I can't put it like that.
No, that's why I gave this other variation. Arms interlaced like this. Yeah? Thank you. Guys, counter pose. Diamond with your legs, interlace fingers. Inhale, exhale, forward bend, and hold. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly coming up. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up. Join the hands in prayer. Exhale, reach the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards one more time. Feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish with one Om and 3 Shantis together. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your body through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. A beautiful smile. Namaste. Thank you so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed the class. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was fun trying something new.
Thank you. Happy you liked it, guys. This class definitely to keep and repeat. Huh? This is one of those classes that you want to repeat over time. Yeah, if you're interested in this course. Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.